The purpose of life is not to be happy. It is to be useful, to be honorable, to be compassionate, to have it make some difference that you have lived and lived well. Ralph Waldo Emerson. Happiness is not something ready-made. It comes from your own actions. Dalai Lama. Success is not the key to happiness. Happiness is the key to success. If you love what you are doing, you will be successful. Albert Schweitzer. Life is 10% what happens to you and 90% how you react to it. Charles R. Swindoll. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. Steve Jobs. The purpose of our lives is to be happy. Dalai Lama. In the end, it's not the years in your life that count. It's the life in your years. Abraham Lincoln. The best way to predict your future is to create it. Peter Drucker. The two most important days in your life are the day you are born and the day you find out why. Mark Twain. Life is either a daring adventure or nothing at all. Helen Keller. Don't watch the clock. Do what it does. Keep going. Sam Levinson. Believe you can, and you're halfway there. Theodore Roosevelt. Life isn't about waiting for the storm to pass. It's about learning how to dance in the rain. Vivian Green. The best revenge is massive success. Frank Sinatra. Life is really simple, but we insist on making it complicated. Confucius. The only limit to our realization of tomorrow will be our doubts of today. Franklin D. Roosevelt. Life is a journey that must be traveled no matter how bad the roads and accommodations. Oliver Goldsmith. The greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. Nelson Mandela. Your time is limited. Don't waste it living someone else's life. Steve Jobs. The more you praise and celebrate your life, the more there is in life to celebrate. Oprah Winfrey. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Winston Churchill. The purpose of life is not to be in control. It is to connect with the flow. Unknown. The best and most beautiful things in the world cannot be seen or even touched. They must be felt with the heart. Helen Keller. The greatest wealth is to live content with little. Plato. Life is 10% what happens to you and 90% how you react to it. Charles R. Swindoll. You miss 100% of the shots you don't take. Wayne Gretzky. The harder I work, the luckier I get. Samuel Goldwyn. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Eleanor Roosevelt. Life is a balance of holding on and letting go. Rumi.